Check that upholstery is uniformly dry to the touch on both surfaces before you sit on it. Start by pressing a clean white cloth into seams and cushion creases to check for moisture transfer, and repeat on the underside and back of cushions to verify interior dryness. Use the palm of your hand rather than fingertips, so you sense both surface and slight residual cooling that indicates dampness. Measure drying time expectations by fabric type, because natural fibers like cotton and linen absorb more water and can take longer than synthetic fibers like polyester. Aim for at least several hours of steady airflow for natural fabrics. Increase air circulation with fans positioned to move air across and under cushions and open windows when outdoor humidity is low, avoiding direct heat from radiators which can warp frames or shrink fabrics. If available, use a clean absorbent towel to press into high moisture spots and replace the towel until it no longer darkens. This removes surface moisture that would otherwise wick back into the fabric. For cushions with removable covers, unzip and dry covers and interiors separately so the shell and fill reach dry equilibrium, and consider temporarily standing cushions on edge so air can circulate through seams. People commonly mistake surface dryness for complete dryness, which leads to resoiling when oils and dirt migrate back to the surface. Always check seams and cushion interiors to avoid this. Another frequent issue is relying on heat sources to speed drying, which can distort fabric or foam, so use ambient air movement instead and only low heat if the fabric care tag explicitly allows it. A third problem is not accounting for humidity, so a space that feels dry can still leave upholstery damp. Monitor indoor humidity, and if it is above 50%, extend drying time or use a dehumidifier. We support homeowners and contractors at bighomeprojects.com by helping match projects with local professionals and providing a discussion community where people share real-world tips and experiences about post-cleaning and drying techniques. We make it easier for contractors to find work and for homeowners to find peers and local tradespeople who can help with follow-up care.